Hi guys, welcome back to my channel MI Tutorials. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can protect or lock your worksheet or your particular rows or columns within Excel so that nobody can make any changes to the data in your Excel sheet without entering the password, right? So let's get started. I have a sample data set over here, and in column V and in column W over here I have the formulas, which is basically calculating my sales minus discount and the total sales amount including discount, right? Now I don't want people, so when I'm sharing this workbook with others, I don't want them to play around with the formula over here, right? So I want to basically log these two rows over here or these two columns over here so that nobody can make any changes to this particular data set, right? So the way we can do this is basically let us select the entire data set that we have over here, okay, and then you can right click and go to format cells. Alternatively, you can press Control 1 to bring in the format cells tab, right? And under the protection tab over here, so this might be something like this to you when you open, so make sure that this is unchecked, right? And then you click on OK, and now let us select these two columns here where we want to lock the cells, right? And then I'm going to press Control 1 here to bring up the format cells tab, and under protection I'm going to click on logged here and then click on OK, right? So it is currently logged, right? But it does not mean that it is logged. Right now I can still go and make some more changes to this formula, right? So how do you actually log this, right? The way you do this is you can simply go to the review tab, and under that you can click on protect sheet, right? When you click on protect sheet, make sure protect worksheet content of locked cells is selected, and then select locked cells and select unlocked cells. Both these two options are checked, right? And then you can enter your password of your choice. I'm going to enter the password over here and press enter, right? So right now you can see here it is now changed from protect sheet to unprotect sheet, which basically is saying that it is currently locked, right? So if I need to make any changes to this, it will not let me change. It says that your change is on a protected sheet. Please make sure that you unprotect the sheet to make any changes, right? However, let's change this over here. Let me add a couple of more decimals. So right, I can change that. I can go here and type in whatever I want and press enter, and still that will accept the change. But however, when I want to make any changes here, it will not let me change because it says that the workbook is protected, right? So this is how you protect your worksheet. This is how you can protect. If you, let's say if you want to now protect the entire sheet itself, right, you can simply select the entire sheet, Control A, and then let me unprotect the sheet first, right? Select the entire sheet, press 1, Control plus 1, and then click on log and click OK, right? And then if you go and protect your sheet, right, and then you will not be able to make any changes in your sheet over here, right? So this is how you protect your sheet so that others will not make any changes to your data set. I hope you've learned something new. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more such tutorials.